My name is Isaiah Graham. I am the 7th and 8th grade history social studies teacher, and I'm also the advisor for Cooking Club. A typical cooking club session, usually we'll kind of split up into groups and do our prep like you see behind me. We'll kind of go through our ingredients and our recipes for this day. And then usually depending on what we're making, each group will go in and out doing different tasks, switching off and kind of working together. And then we sit down, we eat, we talk. Sometimes we'll watch a movie or listen to music as we go. That's pretty much like a usual session. I try to consult the members of the club as much as possible for recipes. Lately, we've been making like lots of Asian dishes because that's kind of what they're interested in. Today, we're kind of making like, something for the whole group since we're kind of early on in the quarter. I'm still getting used to like what they want to make. We're making something kind of easy, so we're doing mac and cheese today, but we do a wide range of stuff for sure. We have a range of kind of skills and abilities when we come into cooking club. Usually some students are kind of used to cooking and do it every night. Some students are a little bit newer, so basic kitchen skills and safety, using a knife for the first time, cutting stuff up. Also how to use like normal appliances like the stove, the microwave. So basic stuff like that, but then I think beyond that they learn to be creative, to work in teams, work in groups to kind of accomplish a task. So there's definitely a wide range of skills that you cover when you're in a cooking club for sure.